Hi everyone, so welcome or welcome back to English with Priyanka Bish. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a vlog in my daily life so that you can learn basic phrases and sentences that you can use in your day-to-day life. इन phrases and words की usage से क्या होगा आपको पता चलेगा कि आपको किस तरह के शब्द, किस तरह के phrases अपनी day-to-day life में अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में practice करने हैं to become more fluent in English. So let's start this fun way of learning the same. So I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. After waking up, I stretch my body. Stretching helps me feel refreshed and is also a good kickstart for a great day ahead. So repeat after me. Wake up and stretch. Wake up and stretch. Next, I brush my teeth and wash my face. These are important morning habits, and habits take you a long way. Also, it is important to maintain your personal hygiene. Simply say, brush my teeth and wash my face. Brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I like to have 2 glasses of lukewarm water. You can mix any ingredient of your choice, be it lemon, methi seeds, etc. etc. But personally, I love it plain. ल्यूक वार्म वाटर का मतलब होता है कोई भी चीज़ जो गुनगुनी हो, पानी ऐसा जो गुनगुना हो. तो ल्यूक वार्म आप किसी भी चीज़ के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Then I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Today I'm making toast and some rice along with my favorite milk tea. I spread butter on my toast and stir my tea. What's your favorite drink in the morning? Now I'm going to pour the tea into my cup with the help of a sieve. सीव क्या होता है? वो छन्नी जिससे आप किसी भी चीज़ को छानते हो, फिर वह चाय हो या कोई और. So repeat after me. Make breakfast, spread butter and stir the tea. Again, make breakfast, spread butter and stir the tea. After that, I take my bath and drink my tea on the balcony because nowadays it's getting colder and sunshine seems to be a blessing. Then I start my work. I turn on my laptop and check my emails and see as to what all I need to accomplish on a particular day. Accomplish का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ को पूरा करना. ठीक है. देन आई मेक अ कॉल टू एक्शन प्लान जिसका मतलब होता है स्टेप बाय स्टेप एक प्रोसीजर को लिखना कि आप कैसे चीज़ों को करने वाले हैं, किस क्रोनोलॉजी में करने वाले हैं, क्या उनका सीक्वेंस रहेगा. इससे क्या होता है, यू विल गेट क्लैरिटी इन योर लाइफ एंड यू विल बी एबल टू डू थिंग्स बेटर. I also love to read in the morning. It is a great way to kickstart your memory, to warm up your brain to the day ahead, and it makes your day more productive because once you are into that zone, you articulate better, you think better, and you perform better. So, always inculcate the habit of reading books in your day to day life. इनकलकेट का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज़ को अपनी ज़िंदगी में शामिल करना, उसे अपनी ज़िंदगी का अपने रूटीन का पार्ट बनाना. Can you repeat? Turn on my laptop and check my emails. Again, turn on my laptop and check my emails. So repeat after me. Read books, write notes. Again, read books and write notes. What do you do in the morning? Then I take a tea break in the evening, and this gives me the energy jolt that I need to survive the other half of the day. Now, the very procedure of making a tea is called brewing a tea. चाय को बनाना को brewing a tea भी बोलते हैं. Now I'm also using basil leaves. जो तुलसी होती है उसको आप क्या बोलते हो? Basil leaves. Now I'm adding a dash of milk to the tea and jaggery powder as sweetener for the same. जैगरी पाउडर का मतलब होता है गुड़ का भूरा, आप जिसे बोलते हैं हिंदी में. गुड़ का जो चूरा होता है उसको हम जैगरी पाउडर बोलते हैं. And the weather that you see right now can be described as foggy, misty, or hazy. Although very rarely, but in the evening, I like to go for a walk. Walking helps me relax after a busy day. Repeat after me. Go for a walk and relax. Again, go for a walk and relax. Then sometimes I exercise at home only. Exercise keeps me healthy and is a very important part of our survival. So you should also aim at a healthy body because a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. And it is not just a saying, but a fact that you must recognize and work upon. Also, you can inculcate some kind of meditation and yoga in your routine because it helps you keep your mind centered and your soul aligned. And you will see the magic it does for your body and your mind. You will be able to think in a clear manner, you will be able to perform better. And given today's time and competition and the stress levels that we have in our lives, exercise is a question of survival right now. Then I light my diya and say my prayers. Puja for me personally creates a serene environment which can help any individual practices of any kind, I might say, reduces stress, anxiety, and negative emotions by fostering inner peace. So it provides a sense of clarity, a sense of purpose, and resilience in facing life's challenges. So puja becomes a medium to connect with higher powers, fostering faith, devotion, and gratitude, and it keeps you grounded. And आप क्या करते हैं इवनिंग में रिलैक्स करने के लिए? Do let me know. Now, before I call it a day, I always like to get back to the book that I have been reading so far. And then I also love the idea of journaling, which is an incredibly valuable practice that benefits your mental, emotional, and personal well being. It is also a great methodology for you to improve your spoken English, your written English, or any kind of English nuances that you're working on. And you will see the change for yourself once you inculcate this habit of journaling in your day to day life. It is also a very effective methodology for emotional healing, as journaling acts as an outlet for suppressed emotions like anger, sadness, or frustration, or anything that you could not speak about throughout the day. Now you can actually vent out your emotion and pen it down in a notebook. Then it also helps in processing grief or trauma by putting complex feelings into words. So, it is no doubt a playground for you to explore thoughts, stories, or creative concepts. And for all those who are trying to, improve their spoken English skills or their English understanding capabilities, this method is going to take you a long way because journaling, in a way, will encourage you to learn more words, more vocabulary, more phrases so that you can express yourself better. So try to include this small habit and you will go a long way with it because it will act as a record of your personal growth too. Now repeat after me, write in my journal. राइट इन माई जर्नल. अब जर्नलिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यों है? क्योंकि जैसे कि आप अंग्रेज़ी में लिखेंगे तो आपको इंग्लिश में सोचना पड़ेगा, उसके लिए आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शब्द याद करने पड़ेंगे. आप चाहेंगे कि आपके पास किसी भी चीज़ को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए ज़्यादा शब्द हो, यानी कि वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स हो, तो आप अपनी वोकैबुलरी खुद ही इम्प्रूव करते जाएंगे क्योंकि नाउ यू विल नो व्हाट यू लैक while explaining or writing down a thing. Then finally, I brush my teeth and change into my pajamas because it is time to call it a day. Call it a day का मतलब होता है किसी दिन का अंत करना या ये बताना कि अब वो दिन ख़त्म हो रहा है. And before that, I scroll through my phone and again try to read a book if I find it difficult to fall asleep because reading actually helps me to fall asleep. So that is it for the day. And if you like the video, if you like this one way of learning, do let me know in the comment box. Alright, so this brings me to the end of the vlog. I hope आपको इन words और phrases से सीखने को मिलेगा. Do not forget them to use in your day-to-day life and you will see your English improve by leaps and bounds. उसके अलावा आपका डेली रूटीन क्या रहता है यूजुअली? देखिए, हर कोई सेम चीज़ तो डेली नहीं करता है, बट डू लेट मी नो व्हाट इज़ योर डेली रूटीन और व्हाट डज इट यूजुअली लुक लाइक. आप इसे पैराफ्रेज करके या पैराग्राफ बनाकर कमेंट बॉक्स पे ज़रूर लिखिए. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो. सी यू सून. टेक केयर.